Have you ever felt the soul-crushing disappointment of downloading an image only to find out it's a WebP file? Damn it again! Now don't get me wrong, WebP is actually a great format. It makes websites load faster, saves space, probably helps with global warming. I think it also saves the fish, maybe, something like that. But when you try to edit it, use it in a project, or just do anything outside of a browser, it's a nightmare. A nightmare that haunted my waking hours and invaded my dreams. The horror, the dread. I had to fix this. I had to stop WebP from infecting my file system. So I did what any sane person will do. I wrote a Python script to automatically convert every WebP file that appears in a folder into a normal, usable PNG. Ah yes, the classic case of spending hours coding something that could have been done in 5 to 10 minutes manually. But hey, automation is fun. Here's the plan. Whenever a WebP file sneaks into my system, the script detects it. It converts it to PNG and it obliterates the original WebP file. No more manual conversions, no more suffering, just pure PNG peace. Now let me show you how it works. Here's a Python script that does all the magic. It watches your folder like a hawk, or in this case a dog. Whenever a WebP file appears, it strikes, barks, something. It waits if the file is still being written, because Windows loves locking files for no reason. It converts the WebP into PNG, no need for third-party tools. It deletes the WebP after conversion, because we don't tolerate WebP in this house. Now you might be wondering, how does this Python sorcery actually work? Enter Pillow and Watchdog, two legendary Python libraries that make this magic possible. Pillow, the painter extraordinaire. First up, we have Pillow, formerly known as Pill. Yes, Pillow. You can use this pillow to make your dreams come true. And what does this pillow do? It lets us open, edit and save images in various formats, including our nemesis, WebP. In this case, it swoops in, grabs the WebP file and transforms it into a glorious PNG. It's like an artist repainting a cursed portrait into a masterpiece, and you don't even need to call Ed and Lorraine Warren to deal with it. Or in our case, just removing WebP's nonsense. Watchdog, the loyal folder guardian. A library that literally watches over our folders like a well-trained guard dog. Did someone drop a WebP in here? Ruff, ruff. Attack mode engage, conversion in progress. This library listens for new files and immediately alerts us when a WebP file dares to appear in our folder. It's like a digital German Shepherd, trained to eliminate unwanted WebPs the moment they show up. And last, but certainly not least, we use the logging library, because every great operation needs a scribe to document its triumphs and occasional failures. Without it, our script will be working in the shadows, and we have no clue what's happening. Did it convert the WebP? Did it fail? Did it ascend to another plane of existence? Back to the shadow realm? With logging, we know exactly what's going on. It writes everything down, like a digital diary. But instead of emotional venting, it's keeping track of WebP's demise. So with Pillow handling the conversion, Watchdog guarding the folder, and logging making sure we're not coding blind, we have a bulletproof WebP to PNG automation system. But wait, I can already hear you screaming.
Do I have to run this script every time?
Of course not, we automate that too. If you're on Windows, we can use Task Scheduler to make this run in the background at all times, so you never have to think about it again. Here's how. Create a batch file to run your Python script automatically, open Windows Task Scheduler and create a new task, set it to run at startup, point it to your batch file, set it to run even when no one is logged in. Optional but programmer move. Now every time you boot up your PC, the WebP exterminator is running in the background, keeping your system WebP free. And there you have it. With this Python automation, WebP files no longer stand a chance. No more manual conversions, no more frustration, just instant, automatic PNG happiness. One script to rule them all, one script to find them, one script to transform them all into PNG. And that, my friends, is the power of automation.
Now go forth and reclaim your PNG piece.
I'll see you in the next dimension.